It's another very interesting elevator, but they should have made a scenic elevator here, but that they made a big glass door to the floors instead. So
Yeah.
But at least to the outside they have the glazed shut, but it's weird that they just put those holes there
Yeah.
to the glass outside. It's here, yeah, Iidesranta 22, staircase A here in Järvensivu, Tampere, Tampere 4, Finland, Finland. And unnecessary folding in the doors here, but I think it's still worth 2 rides because of this strange configuration. We have seen this in Tampere.
Yeah.
It was built in 1997, turned 25, sold in 2022, whereas B1 and E1955, the best is 4% 25 grams, and hours after 1000 with those pictures and 8 bars. Just a door open button. And there's the Otis, but it doesn't have it here. It lacks the Otis logo here. So the smell here.
Same.
I can try to take through the halls there on the second drive.
Yeah. Tippaakin vaan, kun täältä meidän temppaakkoon, niin...
You can see it through there.
Yeah.
But too bad it is.
Yeah.
It's not really scenic. It's not so scenic. Yeah, I still got it.
Yeah.
It's difficult.
Not enough for me.
No, not enough. And I wouldn't creep down on the floor either.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thanks
That's
for watching.